Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a slightly different video. We are trying on Wantable outfits. So guys, if you haven't heard of Wantable, it's basically a styling website. I will tell you all about it in this video and do a try on. Let's go ahead and get started. With Wantable, you're assigned a stylist and then you give all of your stats, your waist size, your height, your preferences in clothing, what style are you into, all that kind of stuff. And then your stylist is going to give you a set of clothes, about 7 to 8 clothes or items that she thinks you would love. And she sends you a box every single month with these outfits. You can actually have it set to like seasonal, maybe every 3 months, whatever you'd like. You can stop it, pause it, start it up again. So when you feel like you need to update your wardrobe, you can start up Wantable again. I gotta say, the first time they sent me some clothing, pricing was super pricey, not quite my style. I messaged my stylist. You get a chance to kind of do a mini review of all the outfits and tell them why you didn't like it. And then the stylist adjusts. This second time around, the style edit box, they did amazing. Honestly, if I had the budget, I would keep every single item in this wardrobe. Got 7 items and yeah, I really do wanted to keep maybe 6 of them, but I have to really just pick the ones that I really like. So if you decide that you don't want to keep these items, you can send back all the clothing that you want. But if you keep at least one item, you keep that clothing minus the styling fee and you would just have to pay for the difference. The only time you lose your $20 styling fee is if you don't keep any of the products. But if you do decide not to keep any of the products, you get to return all of the products right here in this gigantic bag that's enough to fit all of the clothing that you want to return. It's pre-labeled, you just return it to your local USPS. And so it's easy returns. They don't charge your credit card until you've made choices of what you want to keep. So that's the other thing. You don't pay for everything they send and then they refund you. No, you only get charged on the pieces that you keep after the fact, after you've tried them on and you've replied to your stylist. Let's go ahead and see what's in my box. And we're also gonna do a try on. So what pieces am I gonna keep? What pieces am I gonna let go? Stay tuned to find out. So guys, here's my style edit box. I love that on the box there's instructions on how to Wantable, and that saying that says being you is always in style is on point. So in the box you have a little pamphlet that shows all of the items that are in your box, including the pricing, as well as the return bag and label, so that you can return any of the items that you want easily. I don't know if you guys can tell, but that sticker on the box says styled for Terrafil, which is a nice touch. The first item in the box is a 3/4 sleeve floral blouse in the size medium. This is by the brand Westkey and it is $58. Next is the rugby short sleeve sweatshirt in succulent. It is in the size medium as well. It's by Z Supply for $69. We've got a basic t-shirt here, but I love the print on it. It is by the brand Democracy, which is actually a brand that I'm familiar with, and it's $58. Next is a floral and stripe maxi dress in black. It's a size medium by the brand Vanilla Bay, and it's $74. We've got a utility jacket in the color camo, size medium. It is by Thread and Supply and it's $72. Next is a crop skinny jeans by the brand Silver Jean & Co. and it's $74. It has buttons for the zipper and a distressed hem. Lastly, it's the high-rise button utility short in the color Honey Butter. I love the color on this. It's by the brand Democracy and it's $68. Love this top. It's sort of like a crop top, but not too cropped. It just sits high on your waist. I love the sleeves, giving it a modern but casual look. Next are these cropped jeans. I'm not able to show you the bottom, but the length sits right on the ankle. I love the fit. It just fits me like a glove. It's very flattering, and the buttons are a nice touch. I love that the different pieces can go together and create several outfits. This top also goes really well with the cropped jeans. I love the floral print and the ruffled sleeves detail. These two I feel like can go together as one outfit, more of like a transitional piece when it gets a little colder but not too cold. This top I feel like goes well with the yellow short. I love how bright yellow this short is, and I'm definitely very tempted to keeping this piece. However, I'm not too crazy about the sleeves. I feel like it makes my shoulders a little bit bigger than usual. So when the days are cooler, it's nice to layer up, and I love how this camo jacket pairs nicely with the short and top. Look at the pocket detail, love it. I feel like the colors for this dress screams fall. I love the floral and yet darker prints. So pretty. I'm 5'1" and it hits the floor nicely. I can wear sandals or clogs and it will be the perfect length for me. So that is it, guys. I decided to keep only 2 items, even though I really wanted to keep them all. If you like this kind of video, please give this video a thumbs up. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye!